Master Lock. This is a tutorial on how to use the free public university locks. Step 1. Open the lock. Step 2. Turn the knob that says Reset 90 degrees in order to set your own private combination. Step 3. Set your own 4-digit combination of your choice, and make sure to remember it. In this case, the combination is set at 0645. Step 4. Turn the knob that says Reset 90 degrees back to its original setting. Step 5. Close the lock. Step 6. Scramble the digits so that no one will know what you set your private 4-digit combination as. Now that you know how to safely secure your bike, when you want to unlock your bike, you simply have to enter the 4-digit combination you chose. In this case, the combination was 0645 in order to open your lock.